Very important change from 2014 to 2025. This is the 11 years duration when India changed very much, like economic sector, like politics sector, like any sector in the like foreign policy. India quick change, taken decision by Indian diplomacy, Indian government related to own decision related to market, domestic market and international market. International institutions like WTO, IMF, World Bank, and UNO. India never pressure any international institutions. Never India go always the own capacity, own interest related to defense, related to army, related to border dispute, related to any conflict. Our neighbors, India going to our own willful decision to take decision and activity to own interest, not any foreigner interest. 2014 to 2025. This is the 11-year duration when India emerged at the global level as the own self-defense decision-making country, not guided by no guided any country like Soviet, Russia or USA, not pressurize India any decision. India always take a decision to its own interest and never any institution or country pressurize India. India going to economic related decision like market, international market are always India careful about international market and in domestic market, and India always purchase defense related equipment to any foreign country. This is the policy of India to determine its own interest, not any other country interest. Therefore, India conflict in the border area, then India all activity taken by Indian government and diplomacy or any Indian employment is the not a fear, not afraid any foreign country, not pressurize any country. India, this is the changeable 2024. 14 to 2025, 11-year durations. India is the determination country, a fighting country, a emerging country, a willful country, decision-making country, and so therefore India is the vision is 2047 is that will we make a developed country like United States and Russia, maybe European country. India today is the GDP, nominal GDP is the $4 trillion, approximately almost $4 trillion, and PPP, power purchasing parity GDP, $17 trillion, third largest economy. If you regarding going to the PPP, if you going to nominal GDP, India is the fourth largest economy. First economy PPP China, $39 trillion, the $30 trillion in the USA, and $17 trillion India is the third largest economy according to power parity index, purchasing power parity index PPP model. And nominal GDP, India only behind the Germany for third, and second is the China, third is the first is America, fourth is India. This is the nominal GDP and PPP, triple P GDP. This is the ranking by India. Therefore, India emerging. So therefore, India emerging a country as a economical, as a defense level, you can say, and a political situation in India is the stable government since 2014. Therefore, India could make a better policy and make a law. Very old law India is finished, and many new law making by Indian legislatures, parliament. Therefore, India is the emerge as the before 11 years as the defense, strong defense country, a beautiful political countries, and emerging a go to a developed country, Indian economy going to a developed country. This is the situation 2014 to 2025.